Hello everyone. Today I am installing Angular 9.0.5 and Node 14.15.4 on my PC. So I thought of recording my screen while I do that because this is one of the challenges I personally faced. So I have Angular installed on my office PC, but I want to also do some projects to learn which I cannot do on my office PC. That's why I'm installing it on my personal PC. So you can download any version of Node. I personally prefer this because it is kind of stable version. So you can go to this site and download the latest version, which is Node 18. But in my case, I'm downloading Node 14.15.4. So you can search like this and go to the nodejs.org official site for this and go and install this. So once it is installed, you go to the downloaded folder and you can click to install it. It will take some time to install. It will need some space. You just have to click on next, 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 install. So this will install Node.js. So it will take some time. Till it's done, I am pausing the video. So once it is done, it will show you like this. You can click on finish. And what was our next step? Our next step was, after installing Node, open your command prompt or terminal and run the following command. So we now we have to check whether this is working fine. So let's do that. Go to your command prompt and give this command node-v. It will show if node is installed. Okay, there is some issue. Okay, so sometime there is some issue with this. Let's check on Visual Studio. So here you can simply open a terminal and in terminal you just have to give node-v. Okay, it is showing you that the node 14.15.4 version is installed. That means our node installation is completed. Why was it not showing on command prompt? Let's check. I think it is because we have to go out of the folder cd dash dash. Okay, now you are here. Here if we give this, no, it is still not dot dot. Now if we give this, okay, it is still okay. There is some issue with my command prompt. I will check it, but it is installed since I can see it here. Let's check here. If I go out of the folder, if you have any doubt on what I am doing, you can of course ask, but I am hoping that if you are watching Angular installation, you are getting some idea on what I am doing. So if you check node dash v, yeah, it is installed successfully. The only issue is on command prompt. There is some issue. I will fix it and let you know in my future videos. So since I'm done with installing node, the next I need to install Angular CLI 9.0.4. So I have to open my command prompt or terminal. I will prefer terminal because there is some issue on my command prompt, and I need to type this command. You will get the link to this page on my description. So I'm going to terminal and I'm typing that npm install dash g at Angular CLI at a particular version which I am interested on. I'm pausing the video. I My charge is running out. My charge is running out. I'm pausing the video. One moment. All right, I'm continuing the video. So here I have run the command npm install dash g at Angular CLI 9.0.5, and it is installing the Angular version which I specifically typed. My internet is pretty fast, that's why the installation is happening fast. If your PC is taking time, it's just because of internet, and be patient. I think it will take some time, and I will pause it till it's done. So I think the installation is completed. In the end, it will ask, would you like to share your personal data anonymously with Google? And I clicked on yes because I want my data to be sent, and Google won't exactly know that it's my data, and Google can do the improvement on Angular since the Angular is a Google product. In future, if I'm doing any personal project or starting my own startup, on such times I will click on share data no. So that is easy setting which we, okay, I think that's not the main topic. Okay, the installation is done, and this will install the particular version. And now if I type the command ng version, okay, I'm getting some error. uh okay, I think I need to check what is the error. I will fix the error and let you know. It took me some 20 minutes to, not 20 minutes, it took me a few minutes to understand what the issue was. I think I found out the issue. So by default, the terminal execution policies are in restricted mode, and we need to unlock it. So what I did was I went to VS Code and ran this command. Sorry, I didn't go to VS Code. I went to PowerShell, and on PowerShell I typed this command: set execution policy remote sign. If you type this exactly, it will ask you, do you want to remove this policy for all? You can type capital Y. If you want to remove it for all, you can type A. If you don't want to remove it, press no, and no to all, and suspend. So I typed A, which means I want to remove this for all, so that in future for any Angular projects or any terminal that I will be using, should this issue shouldn't come. So I ran this on PowerShell, and now it worked. And now when I gave ng version, it is showing me that I'm using this particular thing, and now my PC is ready. So that's it, guys. I hope you understood how to install, and if you have any particular doubts, you can ask me in the comment section.